Hi, everybody. I am Raymond Camden, Webflow Evangelist, and here I am today to talk to you about one of the updates that we've done recently to our MCP support. Now, as you know, or hopefully know, we've had an MCP server for a while. We've been doing great updates to it. And one of the places that we're doing an update is making it easier to use in your own particular tools. As an example, we recently just launched support for Cursor. So if you go to our docs and scroll down in the Getting Started section, you'll see under Cursor, we walk you through how you can add it to your Cursor environment. Now, you can go into Cursor Marketplace and search for Webflow, or just click this link here. That will bring you right into our support for Cursor. And you could either run this command, or if you're signed in, you can actually just one click to add it that way as well. Now we have, or I should say, I have this already running. I have the Webflow MCP support added to Cursor. I've already gone through my authorization. That's a one-time process. But then with that in, I could then start chatting with it, like, tell me what sites I have. And that will work with our MCP plugin. It's doing all the calls for me, and bam, I have my result. So again, that is just one of a couple of the options that you have in terms of how to use our MCP server. Check our docs. You'll see more examples, Postman, Windsurf, Claude Desktop, etc. And there's also manual instructions. So let us know what you think.